this video, makikita natin ang iba't ibang kind ng pasture and forage sa aming community and ma-identify natin ang grasses and legumes na pwedeng ipakain sa ating mga ruminant animals.
Moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one time for the first time. Moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? Working anybody ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our fire gotta love it till you never break apart. We're moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see?
Gagawin is mag-identify ng grass na makikita sa aming community. Arat na!
Let's identify what are the example of grasses. This one is napier or elephant grass with the scientific name of Penicetum purpureum. It is the most improved pasture species in the Philippines. It best grown in a warm tropical and subtropical regions. Napier grass is a fast-growing and the highest biomass-yielding tropical forage grass. Robust, tall, erect, cane-like perennial species. Elephant grass forms dense, thin clumps up to 1 meter across. The leaves are flat, linear, hairy at the base. It is listed as one of the most important fodder crops. It is of regeneration and high productivity, make it perfect for the feeding of cattle, among other crop-eating creatures. It was not a complete nutrition but good source of energy. Another example of grass. This one is paragrass, Brachyria mutica. It is a creeping perennial stoloniferous grass, widely naturalized in the tropical and subtropical regions of the world, where it was introduced as a fodder grass, with stout above-the-ground runners, which root fully at the nodes. Leaf blades are flat, more or less hairy with rough margins. General leaves are broad, erect, and hairy. Paragrass is palatable species, mainly used for its high-quality forage. The fast-growing grass, it can be grazed or used in a cut-and-carry system. It was introduced as a forage grass or for erosion control into the most tropical countries. Alabang X is an example of grass with the scientific name of Dichanthium aristatum. It is a species of grass and it is a short creeping grass with stolons up to 3 meters long in the wet season. Rooting at the nodes, it is naturalized in the Philippines. Commercially established by cutting and rootstock, it spread rapidly due to the prolific seeding ability. It tolerates heavy grazing and well accepted by almost all livestock. It is commonly used as a forage and fodder species. Used also as a conservation, biological, and erosion control. Corn or Saya maize. Corn is a grass. It offers a viable alternative as a forage source. Maize is a green forage, particularly when it contains the stalks, leaves, and ears. It is an energy-rich feed for ruminant livestock. What are the benefits of maize crop? As well as providing good financial returns, maize offers a number of the benefits including improved soil organic matter levels, reduction in well pressure, reduced insects, disease and nematode pressure, and increased nutrient availability.
So, tapos na tayo sa grasses and next natin is legumes. And this one is example of legumes na makikita sa aming community.
Centro or butterfly pea is an example of legumes with the scientific name of Centrosema pubescens. It is native to tropical climate. The butterfly pea is comfortable in hot and humid climate. It's grown as cover crops because it is naturally suppressed weeds and is very tolerant to drought. Centrosema pubescens is a climbing perennial forage. It grows well in nutrient-poor soil. It is trifoliate, shining bright green, and sparely hairy. The stems are long and vigorous growing. Also occupies the largest among the legumes, and it's a cover crop in a coconut and citrus plantation. There are benefits in Centrosema pubescens. It can be intercropped with grasses, thus increasing the cattle diet. This plant is not suitable for human consumption but provides the benefits through soil fertility. Also, it is a good source of calcium and potassium for animals. Another example of legumes is pintoy peanut, and its scientific name is Arachis pintoy. This perennial herbaceous legume is characterized by stoloniferous, creeping growth habit with a strong taproot. Leaves are alternate and composed of 4 leaflets. High tolerant to shade pasture legumes in tree plantation. Propagated by seed and cuttings. The plant is spread fast, thus easily covering the ground and helping control soil erosion. Sesbania or katuray. It is an example of tree legumes with a scientific name of Sesbania grandiflora. It is a small soft-wooded and fast-growing perennial, deciduous or evergreen legume tree, up to 10 to 15 meter high. Roots are heavily nodulated and some floating roots may develop in waterlogged condition. The trunk are straight with few branches, the leaves up to 30 cm long. The flowers are white, yellowish, pink or red. The pods are 50 to 60 cm long, glabrous and indehiscent. The leaves and fruits are used as a forage and green manure. It is a valued fodder for ruminant. It grazes paddock as a matured trees. What are the benefits of katuray? Young leaves, flower, and tender pods are used as vegetable, very palatable fodder, and high feeding value of ruminant. This is a good source of calcium which helps to maintain heart rhythm and muscle function, phosphorus for kidney function, and vitamin A for good eyesight. Katuray flower is good for all of us. Kawate or Madre de Cacao, Gliricidia scipion. It is an example of tree legumes, and it is deciduous shrub growing to 10 meter by 8 meter at a fast rate. It is used for fodder, cut and carry, and browsing. Leaf mills can also be fed to poultry and rabbit. Wood is often utilized as a firewood and charcoal. Leaf contains 3 to 5% nitrogen and digestibility from 48 to 77%. Since kakawati is a legume, it is useful for fixing nitrogen in the soil, thus improving soil quality and increasing crop yields. Kakawati has strong roots. It stabilizes sloping lands and reduces soil erosion. And another benefits, juice extract of the kakawati leaves, roots, or bark are used to wash and treat scabies and fungal infection. Also, it is mosquito repellent, helps in relieving itchy skin. Another example of tree legumes. Lead tree is more popular known as ipil-ipil, Luciana leucopsepalia, or petay belalang in Malaysia and petay sina in Indonesia. It is one of the fastest growing leguminous tree. In 3 or 4 years, it will stand 25 to 30 feet tall and have a diameter of about 5 inches. It is a source of fertilizer and animal feed and timber. Apart from its unique name, this tree have numerous health benefits. It considered as medicinal tree. Ipil-ipil works as a natural skin toner, powerful dermal medicine, hair removal option. It also can treat dandruffs, analgesic, contraceptive, also a worm killer and anti-cancerous agent. This one is sweet potato with the scientific name of Ipomea batatas. It is an example of legumes. It is herbaceous and perennial plant. However, it grown as an annual plant by vegetative propagation using either storage roots or stem cuttings. Its growth habit is predominantly prostrate with vine system that expand rapidly horizontally on the ground. Benefits of sweet potato. It is natural and abundant source of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin A, and minerals. Promote gut health. The fiber and antioxidant in sweet potatoes are advantageous to gut health. May have cancer-fighting properties. Support healthy vision. May enhance brain function. May support your immune system. Pigeon pea or cardis. Its scientific name is Cahanus cahan. Cahanus cahan has numerous uses in animal feeding. The leaves and pods are valuable and palatable, protein-rich fodder. Leaves are sometimes used to replace alfalfa in a ruminant diets where alfalfa cannot be grown. Pigeon pea is an erect, short-lived perennial leguminous shrub that usually grows to a height of about 1 to 2 meter, but can reach up to 2 to 5 meter high. It quickly develops a deep, poisonous taproot. The stems are woody at the base, angular, and branching. Pigeon pea or cardis is known to prevent and cure human ailments like bronchitis, cough, pneumonia, respiratory infection, pain, dysentery, menstrual disorders, curing sores, wounds, abdominal tumors, and diabetes in a traditional folk medicines.
Ayan, sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to. Sa muli, maraming salamat! Ayan, sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to. And thank you for watching. Ay, kapay na! Sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to. And sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to. Sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to. Sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to. Hello, sa muli, maraming salamat. Tingnan mo, kaya mo naman.
3, go.